Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Twitter for business. First, create a professional profile. Make sure your bio is clear and concise, highlighting what your business offers. Use a high-quality profile picture and a compelling header image that represents your brand. Verify your account for added credibility and security, and choose a relevant username for easy recognition. Next, focus on your content strategy. Post a diverse mix of text, images, and video to keep your feed interesting. Share valuable industry news and insights to position your brand as a thought leader. Don't forget to ask questions to encourage audience interaction and subtly promote your products or services without being overly salesy. To grow your audience, active engagement is key. Respond promptly to mentions and direct messages to build rapport. Engage with other relevant accounts and industry influencers to expand your reach. Use relevant hashtags to increase visibility for your tweets, and consider running polls or contests to boost participation and attract new followers. Finally, track your performance to refine your strategy. Monitor your tweet impressions and engagement rates to understand what resonates with your audience. Identify your most successful content types and adjust your posting schedule for optimal reach. Regularly analyze your follower growth and demographics to ensure you are reaching your target market effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.